You want to make money online? In this video, I'll be giving you 3 best passive income ideas to make $467 per day in 2021. What's good YouTube, it's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be giving y'all 3 best passive income ideas to make $467 per day in 2021. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. The first passive income idea is real estate. Real estate investing is one of the best and one of the most safest ways to make money online. With real estate investing, you can make money in various ways. These include flipping properties, renting out properties, and property investment crowdfunding. A lot of y'all don't have enough money to buy a property, so what y'all can do is that y'all can join property investment crowdfunds. After the crowdfund makes a profit, they initially pay you a percentage of the profit which they made because you also invested money in that property. Before we get into the second way to make money online, make sure you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. The second best passive income idea is selling digital bundles like a book. Now I know most of y'all might not have enough time to go write a full book since you might have a full-time job that occupies most of your time, so this way is totally suitable for you. You might have seen digital bundles which were giving you multiple things in one bundle for a crazy price. The idea here is to take multiple digital products, books, courses, put them all in one deal which you're going to sell to customers and make a profit. The third passive income idea is to create a course or a digital product. This one is actually in relation to the previous passive income idea, but this one you'll be taking matters into your own hands and you'll actually be writing the book, the course, or the digital product by yourself. The downside of this one though is that it takes a lot of time to set up, but if you are patient, you have the potential to make a lot of money from this. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you go down in the comment section and tell me which video you'd like to see next on the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload.